It will explain the derivation of the Vout equation for the instrumentation amplifier. So in the it has three op amps. First two op amps are non-inverting amplifiers, and third op amp is differential amplifier. So it has two voltage input, V2 and V1. We know this input terminal has same voltage. Those voltage are equal, and this two terminal voltage are equal. Then this minus terminal connected to this path, and this op amp minus terminal connected to this point. So in between those 2 points there is a resistance called R gain. Then we can find the current between the R gain using this equation. So current equal V2 minus V1. It gives the voltage difference close to the R gain resistance, then divide by the resistance R gain, then it gives the current through the R gain resistance. Then we can find the current in this line because there is no current flow into this V2 line, because there is no current flow into the op amps. So current only flow into this line. So we can find the voltage difference using V0 to minus V01, then divide by the sum of the resistance R2 plus R gain. Then we can find the current flow into this line. So this current flow into this line also flow through the R gain. So those two currents should be equal. Then these two parts V2 minus V1 will divide by R gain equal VO2 VO2 minus V1 divided by sum of the resistance should be equal. Then here I am equal to those two terms. Then we can find the V02 minus V01 in terms of resistance and input voltages of two non-inverting op amps. Then as I previously discussed, the last op amp is a differential amplifier. So it get the difference of the input voltages. That means V02 minus V01. So that we know the equation for the differential amplifier is this: V out equal R4 divided by R3, difference of the input voltage. Previously we found the difference of the input voltage. In here we found the difference of the input voltage. So this term can replace into this point. In here I do that R3 divided by R4. V out, I put the previously found term for the V01 minus V02. Then we can further simplify. We know R2 plus R2 means 2R2 plus R gain. We can shift the R gain into this side because there is a multiple. Then resistance are in the one term, V minus V voltage terms are in one side, and R3 divided by R4. This is the last step is a special case. Four resistance are equal. We can find this equation. If not, this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Thank you.